In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely set up API access on Binance by logging into your account. This will ensure that your account is safe and that only trusted devices can interact with your API. So let's dive in. First off, you need to log into your Binance account. Open your web browser, navigate to Binance.com, and enter your login credentials. Make sure you're using a secure connection, and ideally, do this from your personal and private internet connection to prevent any security breaches. If you haven't already set up two-factor authentication, now is a great time to do so. This is a crucial step in protecting your account and will be needed later on in this process. Once you've logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and hover over it. A drop-down menu should appear, offering a variety of options related to your account. From these options, you'll want to click on API Management. Now, why use API Management, you ask? APIs are useful tools that allow your account to communicate with other services or applications that you authorize. However, it's important to set it up correctly to maintain the security of your account. Now, create a new API key. If you have existing keys, you can select one that you wish to manage, but for new users or those needing a fresh start, you'll want to create a new key. You should see an option to name your API key. This is helpful if you are managing multiple keys, as it allows you to quickly identify each key's purpose or the project it's associated with. Next, let's move on to the Edit Restrictions section. This step is crucial for enhancing the security of your API key. In this section, you will find various options to restrict access and usage. Look for and select the option that says Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only. This is highly recommended because it limits access to the API from only the IP addresses you specify, blocking any unauthorized attempts from unknown or malicious sources. Once you select this restriction, paste in the IP address or addresses that you trust. Double-check these addresses to ensure there are no mistakes, as incorrect entries could block your access. If you find yourself needing to access the API from different locations regularly, consider a VPN that provides a static IP address. Lastly, click the Save button to ensure your changes take effect. Binance will prompt you to complete a two-factor authentication process. This might involve receiving a code on your mobile device or email, similar to what you used during login. Enter the code accurately to complete the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up restricted API access for your Binance account, enhancing its security. Don't forget to periodically review your API key settings and regularly update your security practices. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.